We talked about the branding cloud, before, where we were taking a stack and we're building brand with it. The only difference here between the previous one is, instead of using a base release, we're going to link everything back to the media room, because the media room is a big brand presence. And so we're going to try and amplify that as best we can, which of course links back to the target site as well. And it has all the schema on it, and it has the embeds on it, all that sort of thing. And it also appears very natural. The one caveat here is that, you definitely want to think about, being careful with the anchor text that you use here. I would recommend that you use a fully branded anchor when you're linking from the stack releases to the media room, because any type of generic anchor or anything like that is, and certainly don't mention Press Advantage in there, because you're building brand for that client. You're not building brand for us. So I hope this kind of helps from just an overall perspective of what we want to do. And